because I knew we was going
Happy
to
to do that
do this.
again.
Es- can you tell us about the cover and some of the, I don't want you to read it out as such, but can you give us some insights to the book?
So the book has a foreword by Jane Goodall, who sadly passed away just this
Oh,
week, as you know. And she wrote a foreword, which I was immensely grateful for, in which she calls for a transitioning of industrial agriculture and a lot of things that we need to do in our time. And then the book starts with a chapter on what I call the 10% world, because we live in a world that is really just a fragment of the natural wealth we once had. Just to give you one key info point is that of all the weight of mammals in the world, only 4% are wildlife. The rest are humans and livestock.
right.
We've lost over 70% of all wildlife population since the 1970s. So we're really in a nosedive when it comes to the natural world. But people tend to forget that because each new generation takes the degraded state of the environment for granted, which ecologists call shifting baseline syndrome.
Mm.
So that